Dear students, welcome to all of you in online classes Divine Public School. Today I am discuss some important topic of 12th Accountancy Chapter 1 Partnership Fundamental. The first important topic is partnership. Partnership is the combination of minimum 2 and maximum 50% they have agreed for doing any lawful business and share profit according to agreed ratio. One definition is given Indian Partnership Act 1932, Section 4. Partnership is the relation between persons who agreed to share a profit of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Students, my Indian Partnership Act 1932 is silent about maximum number of partner in a partnership. But Indian Company Act 2013 Section 464 says maximum number of partner in partnership is 50. The second topic, partnership deed. Partnership deed is the written or oral agreement among all the partner how to conduct the partnership firm or partnership business. But written agreement is better than oral agreement. Generally, in the partnership deed, following topic is discussed like name and address of partner, how many capital introduced by each partner in the partnership firm. It is also discussed in the partnership deed. Drawing and interest on drawing, by which method partners make a drawing and how many interest charge on drawing amount. It is also discussed in the partnership deed. Interest on capital is provided or not, it is also clear in the partnership deed. Partners get up salary, bonus, commission or not, it is also discussed in the partnership deed. For smooth running of a business, profit sharing ratio, in which ratio partner distribute their profit, it is also discussed in the partnership deed. And valuation of goodwill Goodwill is the reputed name and fame of any business that is help for earning more profit or super profit. There are many methods for valuation of goodwill. Which method is adopted in partnership firm, that is discussed among all the partner in a partnership deed. After to discuss all the things among all the partner, it is signed by the all the partner. Students, many times partnership deed ask in the board examination in 1 marks. It is very simple. Partnership deed is the written or oral agreement among all the partner how to conduct the partnership firm. Now, the third important topic, rule applicable in the absence of partnership deed. If partners have partnership deed, they operate their business according to their deed or according to their agreement. But if partner not have any deed or any agreement, in this condition, the rule of Indian Partnership Act 1932 is follow. Like profit sharing ratio, all partner divided profit equally. Second, interest on capital, no interest on capital is provided. Third, interest on drawing, no interest on drawing is provided. No any partner get up any salary, bonus, commission if they not have any partnership deed. If any partner provided loan to the firm, they get up only 6% interest on their loan amount per annum. Now the last important topic, method of preparing partners capital account. Students, partners capital account is prepared by two methods. First, fixed capital method, and second, fluctuating capital method. If any partnership firm adopt fixed capital method, they prepare two accounts. First, partner's capital account and second, partner's current account. If any business adopt fluctuating capital method, he prepared only one account, partner's capital account. In fixed capital method, two account, partner's capital account. Partner's capital account is cover only three things like old capital written in a credit side, new capital written in a credit side, capital withdraw permanently written in a debit side, and remaining all the things related to partner's capital account is written partner's current account. Like salary, bonus, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, PL appropriation and drawing, etc. If we are prepared fluctuating capital method, prepared only one account, partner's capital account, it is the combination of partner's capital account and partner's current account. All these things like old capital, new capital, capital withdraw permanently, and salary, bonus, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawing, PL appropriation and drawing, that amount is written only one account, partner's capital account. So in this way, partner's capital account is prepared by two-way fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. If we are prepared fixed capital method, the two account is prepared, partner's capital account, partner's current account. Fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared. All the two accounts, or we can say partner's capital account and fluctuating capital method is the combination of partner's capital account and partner's current account. There are some basic difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. First difference, in fixed capital method, two account is prepared, partner's capital account and partner's current account. In fluctuating methods, only one account, partner's capital account. In fixed capital method, partner's capital account never show negative balance, but fluctuating capital method, partner's capital account show sometime negative balance. In next video, I am discuss about interest on drawing. Thank you.